Hello everyone, I'm Darshan. In this video, I'm going to teach you a shortcut method to solve the problems on regular falsi method. I'm not going to cover any theoretical part. I just teach you a method to solve the problems quicker and better. Consider the problem. Find the root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 in the interval 2, 3 using regular falsi method. First we take x cube minus 2x minus 5 as f of x, and we need to find out a and b for which f of a and f of b have different signs. First we type this formula in the calculator. X cube minus 2 into x minus 5, calc for x equal to 2, it is minus 1, f of 2 is minus 1. For x equal to 3, f of 3 is 16. So we observe that f of 2 is negative and f of 3 is positive. Hence there exists a root between 2 and 3. So we take a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Next we should draw a table like this: a, b, f of a, f of b, and c, which is equal to a into f of p minus b into f of a whole divided by f of p minus f of a, and the next column is f of c, and the last column is update. The initial values of a and b are 2 and 3. I have written here a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. F of a is minus 1, f of b, that is 3, is 16. Now to find out c in the calculator, I type this equation in terms of a and b. First press the quotient. A into f of b is b cube minus 2 into b minus 5 minus b into a cube minus 2 into a minus 5 divided by f of b minus f of a. F of b is again b cube minus 2 into b minus 5 minus f of a is a cube minus 2 into a minus 5. Next press calc. The initial value of a is 2 and initial value of b is 3. If I press equals, I get c as 2.0588. Now this value is stored in answer. To find out f of c, I type this equation in terms of answer, that is answer cube minus 2 into answer minus 5. If I press equal, I get f of c, that is minus 0.3908. Now compare this value with f of a and f of b. Here f of c is negative and f of a is negative. So change the value of a to c. If we get a positive value, f of p is positive. So change the value of p to c. In this particular problem, if we get a negative value, change a to c. If we get a positive value, change b to c. If I change a to c, a becomes 2.0588, b is still 3, f of a is here minus 0.3908, f of b is 16. To find out c, press the up arrow in the calculator, press calc. The value of a is changed to 2.0588, 2.0588, press equals. B is still 3, just press equals. You get the value of C as 2.0813. Now press the up arrow, the answer equation is still there. Now the value of answer is 2.0813. If you press equal, you get f of c as minus 0.1473. Again we got a negative value, so change the value of a to c. That is 2.0588 to 2.0813. Now press the up arrow, still you have that equation. Press calc. The a value is 2.0813. Press equals, b is still 3. Press equals, you get c value as 2.0897. Press the up arrow, press equals, you get f of c, that is minus 0.0545. Change the value of a to c. Since the f of c is negative and f of a is negative, change the value of a to c. Now press the up arrow, press calc. A value is now 2.0897. B value is 3. If I press equal, I get the new value of c as 2.0928. Again press the up arrow, press equals, you get f of c. Continue this way. I will do it a little bit faster. Press calc 2.0928 equals you get 2.039. Press up arrow, press equals, you get f of c minus 0.0072. Change a to c. Press up arrow, calc, change the a value to 2.039, 2.0939. Press equals, you get 2.943. Press up arrow, press equals, you get f of c, that is minus 0.0027. Change the value of a to c. Again press the up arrow, change the value of a to 2.0943. Press equals, b is still 3. Press equals, you get 2.0945 as the new value of c. Press the up arrow, press equals, you get f of c. Change the value of a to c since f of c is negative. Again press the up arrow, calc, change the value of a to 2.0945. Press equals, b is still 3. Press equals, you get again 2.0945 as the value of c. Once you get a similar value for c in consecutive steps, you are done. So that is the required root 2.0945. It's the required root of this equation in this interval. To use the same trick in any other calculator, you need to have some basic knowledge about BODMAS rule. When you type this equation, use two more brackets, one for the numerator and another for the denominator. and you can solve the problem easily. Thank you.